Hi everyone, a very good afternoon to all, a very good afternoon to Delhi. Today we have gathered here to witness one of the most significant collaborations that Delhi government transport department has ever done. Today is a huge day for all of us. As we all know, Delhi public transport is the lifeline of this city. And today, all the transit users of this Delhi is going to witness a very important occasion where we are going to collaborate with the tech giant Google. So this is going to be a collaboration between one of the most most used activities of all the public users in Delhi, Google Maps, Google, and also our public bus services. Today, we are launching real-time transit information of all the public buses in Delhi onto the Google Maps platform. So now the next time you are planning a trip from any place in Delhi to any place in Delhi, all you need to do is probably get on Google Maps, type in your location, and then you will have all the required details that you need and the arrival time, everything that you need of the buses. So today we have with us Honorable Minister of Transport, Shri Kailash Gahlot, Honorable Vice Chairperson, Delhi Dialogue and Development Commission, Shri Jacqueline Shah, the Commissioner of Transport, Shri Ashish Kundra, and our representatives from Google, Shri Ramesh Nagraj and Shri Rohan Agarwal. I call upon the Commissioner of Transport, Shri Ashish Kundra, to present his address.
And has been very open to ideas and suggestions, and he has in fact led it from the front. And we must he deserves all the commendation for this initiative. And I'm sure that under his guidance we'll be able to steer a much more stronger and robust partnership in the days to come. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shri Ashish Kundra. Now I request Vice Chairperson VDCD, Shri Jacqueline Shah, to speak a few words.
Good afternoon to all of you. Today indeed is a very historic and an important day in the journey of making Delhi's public transport system world class. We all know Honorable CM Arvind Kejriwal ji has a vision that Delhi's public transport system and especially buses should be comparable with amongst the best systems in the world. And as part of that vision, we wanted to ensure that the real-time arrival information of buses from any stop in Delhi should be easily accessible and viewable to the commuters of Delhi, just like you can see the arrival information of Ola or Uber cars on your mobile apps. So the beginning for this entire project that we are launching today here in collaboration with Google was made back in 2018, where Honorable Minister Mr. Kailash Gahlot ji had launched the Open Transit Data Portal of Delhi government in collaboration with IIIT Delhi and the team there led by Dr. Pravesh Biyani. I'll take a minute to explain how significant that was, because back then in 2018 it was unheard that a government would itself go ahead and put out in public domain all the data of its bus routes, bus schedules, as well as the real-time arrival information. And it was unprecedented, but we knew that this backbone needs to be created, because our vision is not just to have 1 or 2 apps showing this kind of information to commuters, but if you go to the modern cities of the world, Singapore, New York, London, anywhere, you will see literally 100 or more apps that are showing in a very innovative manner information that commuters of public transport need to see. And we made that initial beginning back in 2018. There was a huge learning curve, but slowly and steadily the team at IIIT Delhi, and in this case we started out with the cluster bus services, and therefore credit also goes to the transport department team and DIMS especially, which manages the cluster bus services, that work very closely with the researchers at IIIT Delhi to ensure that high quality data is put out. And the Google team has constantly been in collaboration and in conversation with DDC, with IIIT Delhi and DIMS, and over the last 2 years we've reached to a point where today this service that is being launched on Google Maps is going to be comparable with the best anywhere in the world, and certainly the largest number of buses, I think, in India. So this is a great step forward, and we expect that in the coming few months, this initiative will also inspire many other app builders in India to launch similar app and commuter focused services in Delhi, and we hope at least 5 to 10 more such apps will be launched through the course of the year. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Jack. Now we have the Google spokesperson, Mr. Ramesh Nagraj, the Director Product Management at Google. And we have with him Ms. Roni Agarwal, who is Head of India Product Partnerships at Google. I request you to speak a few words, and also we want to send you an overview of how this partnership is going to work, and also what features we can expect in Google Maps once this partnership is done. Thank you. Thank you so much, Malvika. Can I request you to also bring up the slides, please? So while Malvika is reading this up, good afternoon, everyone. I wanted to start by thanking Mr. Kundra, Mr. Jasmine Shah, Honorable Transport Minister, Mr. Gehlot. Thank you to also all of you who are taking the time to join this event virtually today. My name is Roni Agarwal. I lead Google Maps Partnerships for India. And I just wanted to start by saying how excited we are to share this launch of Delhi Cluster Bus Services real-time updates on Google Maps. This launch, as you heard, has been in the making for a very long time, and we are deeply thankful for all the collaboration that many people who are today attending this event but also outside have extended to us. I want to especially call out the Delhi Transport Ministry, IIIT Delhi, the Delhi Dialogue and Development Commission, and of course the IMTS in making today possible. Now with that, we can go to the next slide. So before we talk about the launch, I wanted to share with you just a little bit about Google Maps. So at Google, we are deeply invested in improving the Google Maps experience for our users here in India. We've done a lot of improvements over the past decade plus, and we continue to find ways to make maps even more meaningful for our users here. I hope most of you have at least played around with some of these features that you see on the screen and have found them useful in your daily life. The next slide. In the past, before this partnership, I also wanted to highlight some other launches that we did with the Delhi government. The one that I wanted to spotlight on is the food and night shelters that were launched for migrant workers in the times of COVID. We have to make this even more discoverable on Google Maps. We've also partnered with the city police to show real-time road closure and road incident data on Google Maps. The next slide. So also knowing how important public transport is for users here in India, we've been making a bunch of updates and launches to improve this feature. In fact, Transit that we are talking about today was launched way back in 2010. Since then, we've launched a bunch of additional cities. You can now get static schedules. You can also get some real-time updates for a few other cities. Delhi, of course, is getting added to the list today. The next one. So if I have to quickly summarize what public transport looks like on Google Maps today, we have roughly 23 cities that show static transit schedules for all major transport modes. We also have 3 other cities that show real-time information, and Delhi is a very welcome fourth addition. We have national coverage for all intercity trains with real-time location. We've also shown auto rickshaw fares for 14 cities. We have 8 cities that show road closures and incidents data. And in addition to this, most recently, in fact, as soon as I think in the last month, we have launched COVID alerts for 20 plus cities. These tell you various travel restrictions and a bunch of other useful guidelines for these cities. I hope again you found these useful. So with that, let me hand over to my colleague Ramesh Nagarajan, who's the product director for Google Maps. And I just want to end by saying again how excited we are that we are able to do this, and we are looking forward to working with Delhi to extend this partnership and to also bring this to other cities around India. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Ramesh Nagarajan. I'm product director for Google Maps. It's my pleasure to walk you through some of the exciting features we are announcing today. Next slide, please. Today, in collaboration with the Delhi government and IIIT Delhi, we're excited to bring real-time information for Delhi trusted bus services to Google Maps. Let me show you how commuters can find bus information in Google Maps. Next slide, please. So after the user looks up directions to a place, they can find bus information on the transit path within the direction experience. Here they can compare options, see departure times, and get accurate arrival time predictions. Next slide, please. They can also tap to see even more details, such as the stop location, the intermediate stops on the journey, and the headway information they need to identify the bus. Commuters can also contribute information such as crowdedness and other valuable data, so they can help other users as well on the journey. Next slide, please. Now with the aid of this real-time information, we can now actually show the live vehicle position within the buses on the map as well, and so the users can actually see where the bus is before it arrives for a stop. Next slide, please. And we can also have the translations in Hindi so the users can navigate their trip in their preferred language. They can change the language in Google Maps settings or on the device. Next slide, please. And users can also access the same information to the stop departure board by searching for stops by their name or the line number. Next slide, please. And finally, for the trusted buses in Delhi, we'll have specific colors to help users associate and find them more easily on the map. Next slide, please. We're very excited about bringing these innovations to our users. We look forward to working together with our partners to help make transportation better. Thank you. Over to you, Monica.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ramesh and Ms. Soni. That was a very eye-opening into your app. And now I call upon Honorable Minister of Transport, Shri Kailash Gahlot, to speak a few words.
सभी को नमस्कार। कमिश्नर ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑनरेबल जैस्मीन, डीटीसी के एमडी विजय जी, पूरी गूगल टीम एंड स्पेशली रोली अग्रवाल। आई थिंक अ लॉन्ग जर्नी बट फाइनली वी हैव अराइव्ड। और मेरे ख्याल से दिल्ली वासियों के लिए वाकई में एक बहुत ही ऐतिहासिक दिन है, एंड स्पेशली जो बसों से सफ़र करते हैं। जैसा कि जैस्मीन ने बताया कि लगभग 2018 में जो हमने एक शुरुआत की थी और पहले ही दिन से माननीय सीएम अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के नेतृत्व में हमारा पूरा फोकस था कि पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट को कैसे रेवोल्यूशनाइज किया जाए, पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट स्पेशली जो हमारी बसें हैं इनमें सफ़र को कैसे और कंफर्टेबल बनाया जाए, सुरक्षित बनाया जाए, और सबसे ज़रूरी बात थी कि टेक्नोलॉजी को साथ लेके हम कैसे आगे बढ़ें ताकि जब भी पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट की बात आए, और जो कि फिर दोबारा अरविंद केजरीवाल जी का सपना है कि दिल्ली का जो पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम हो वो सिर्फ देश में नहीं लेकिन दुनिया में सबसे बेहतरीन पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम हो। और उसी सपने को आगे बढ़ाते हुए 2018 में शुरुआत की थी कि पूरा जो हमारा पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम से जितनी भी जुड़ी हुई चीज़ें हैं, चाहे वो बसों की जीपीएस फीड है, चाहे रूट्स हैं, चाहे हमारे बस स्टॉप्स हैं, बस क्यू शेल्टर्स हैं, कि उसका सारा डेटा किस प्रकार से पब्लिक डोमेन में हमने डाला ताकि कोई भी व्यक्ति, पहले सारा ये डेटा जो है वो सिर्फ ट्रांसपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट उसको देख पाता था, लेकिन अगर कोई भी और व्यक्ति अगर इस डेटा को, इस फीड को देख के अगर कुछ प्लान करना चाहता है तो वो कदम हमने 2018 में लिया। और मेरे ख्याल से अगर मैं प्रवेश बियानी को धन्यवाद नहीं करूंगा तो कहीं ना कहीं चूक होगी, तो इसीलिए पूरी IIIT-D की टीम को, प्रवेश बियानी की टीम को मेरी तरफ से, दिल्ली सरकार की तरफ से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मेरे ख्याल से पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट की हम जब बात करते हैं तो अक्सर सड़क पे कितनी बसें हैं उसके बारे में चर्चा होती है, लेकिन किस प्रकार से टेक्नोलॉजी को इंटीग्रेट करके, तो मेरे ख्याल से सीएम साहब के नेतृत्व, जैसे दिल्ली ने जो एग्जाम्पल सेट किया है, फिर चाहे हम कॉमन मोबिलिटी, दिल्ली पहला देश, पूरे देश में पहला सिटी था जिसने कॉमन मोबिलिटी कार्ड लॉन्च किया, जिसमें कि उसी कार्ड से दिल्ली की बसों में सफ़र कर सकते हैं और वही कार्ड हम मेट्रो में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं। तमाम दिल्ली की बसों में सीसीटीवी को लगाने से लेके उसमें जीपीएस पैनिक बटन लगाने से पूरा एक इंटीग्रेटेड कमांड सेंटर, ताकि हमारे जितने भी पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट की बसें हैं उनको हम एक जगह बैठ के हम देख सकें। महिलाओं के लिए हम उनको कैसे और सुरक्षित बना सकें, इसका पहला हमने एग्जाम्पल जो है वो सेट किया दिल्ली में। महिलाओं के लिए पूरा सफ़र जो है वो फ्री किया ताकि किसी भी महिला को ये सोचना ना पड़े कि भाई बस के लिए, किराए के लिए उसको कहीं परेशानी तो नहीं है। फिर दोबारा हमने दिल्ली में टेक्नोलॉजी को किस प्रकार से यूज़ करते हुए कॉन्टैक्टलेस टिकटिंग को यूज़ किया, बिना कंडक्टर की सहायता लेते हुए सिर्फ बार कोड से अगर किसी भी यात्री को अगर टिकट लेना है तो वो टिकट ले सकता है। और लगभग आज मुझे ये भी खुशी हो रही है बताते हुए कि टोटल टिकटिंग का 6% के आसपास आज हम पूरी जो है कॉन्टैक्टलेस टिकटिंग से हम कर रहे हैं। कॉमन मोबिलिटी कार्ड ने हमने 10% डिस्काउंट दिया और बहुत जल्द जो कॉन्टैक्टलेस टिकटिंग से भी 10%, जो भी टिकट खरीदेगा उसको 10% की छूट दी जाएगी। महिलाओं के लिए फिर दोबारा किस प्रकार से और हम बसों का सफ़र सुरक्षित बना सकें, उसके लिए सभी बसों में बस मार्शल को तैनात किया गया। तो कुछ जो these examples I have given only to indicate that Delhi government has taken all the right steps in the right direction to make public transport system a more efficient, more reliable and modern as well. और सबसे बड़ी जो मेरे ख्याल से समस्या, जब भी अगर कोई बाहर जाया करता था, लंदन है या सिंगापुर है, न्यूयॉर्क है, तो हमेशा ये कहा जाता था कि वहाँ जो यात्री है वो बस को देख सकता है कि भाई उसकी बस स्टॉप पे कितने समय में आ रही है। और आज बड़े गर्व के साथ हम ये कह सकते हैं कि वो ही एग्जैक्टली लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ, गूगल के साथ पार्टनरशिप करके आज हमने दिल्ली में वो कर दिखाया। किसी भी यात्री के लिए ये बहुत ज़रूरी है ये जानना कि उसकी बस कितने समय में उसके बस स्टॉप पे आ रही है। काफ़ी बार मुझे याद है जब हम भी बस में चला करते थे तो वो बस निकल गई और हम वेट कर रहे हैं और ये सोच रहे हैं कि यार बस क्यों नहीं आई अभी तक। तो वो जितनी भी चिंता है, जितनी भी मन में एक एंग्जाइटी, एक ट्रैवलर की मेरे ख्याल से मन में हमेशा एंग्जाइटी रहती है कि यार बस कब आएगी, 5 मिनट में आएगी, 10 मिनट में आएगी, आधा घंटे में आएगी, या कहीं बस निकल तो नहीं गई। तो आज बड़े गर्व के साथ हम ये कह सकते हैं कि पूरी गूगल टीम के पार्टनरशिप के साथ हमने इसको लॉन्च किया। और जैसे हम बात कर रहे हैं अभी 3000 बसें जो हैं, वो कोई भी यात्री उसकी जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन उसको चाहिए वो अपने मोबाइल पे गूगल मैप पे, हमारा जो दिल्ली का जो वन ऐप है जो हम कॉमन मोबिलिटी कार्ड बोलते हैं, उसके द्वारा वो बिल्कुल वो देख सकता है कि 2 मिनट की दूरी पे है या वो कितनी और बस लेट है। और बहुत जल्द डीटीसी की भी जो लगभग 3700 बसें हैं हमारी, उनको भी बहुत जल्द इसी प्रकार से आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग गूगल टीम ऑल्सो कि उनको भी बहुत जल्द सारी बसों को इंटीग्रेट कर दिया जाए, ताकि दिल्ली की सड़कों पे अगर कोई भी बस कोई यात्री देख रहा है तो उसको वो मन में एक शांति है, एक सुकून है कि मुझे कुछ सोचने की आवश्यकता नहीं है कौन सी बस कहाँ पर मुझे कितनी देर में मिलेगी। या अगर कोई भी अगर बाहर से भी अगर कोई आया है, कोई यहाँ टूरिस्ट है, अगर वो भी अगर अपनी जर्नी प्लान करना चाहता है तो ही कैन प्लान हिज जर्नी इन अ मोर एफिशिएंट एंड मोर रिलायबल वे विदाउट wasting any time. And I on entire behalf of entire Delhi government, I once again thank Google team. Once again I am thanking Roli Agarwal again, because I met her almost in 2018, and I hope we could keep doing this wonderful work. और हम किस प्रकार से पब्लिक दिल्ली में पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम को और कैसे हम बेहतर बना सकते हैं, I think we should keep striving towards that. I thank Jasmine, I thank entire transport department who have worked relentlessly since last 2-3 years. I thank DIMS who has taken the lead, और उन्होंने बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से अपना जो GPS feed है वो दिया. I also thank entire DTC team and including Vijay who is sitting here, DTC MD. And I thank everybody who has worked in this entire project. और इसको आज हकीकत में वाकई में लॉन्च करते हुए जितनी मैं समझता हूँ दिल्ली वासियों को खुशी हो रही है, उससे ज़्यादा खुशी मुझे हो रही है एज ए मिनिस्टर ट्रांसपोर्ट इसको लॉन्च करते हुए। आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Thank you so much, Honorable Minister of Transport, Shri Kailash Banerjee, for taking us through Delhi's transport journey and being a guiding force these past few years for taking Delhi to a smart, reliable, affordable and accessible public transport system. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us on this very significant step in Delhi's transport towards a very smart transport system. Thank you.
That's the end. चलिए, thank you.